Good morning, children. Open your empty book. Today we will read lesson 2. Lesson name is The Tricky Jackal Who Became King. There is a story of a tricky jackal. He was very clever and cheater also. Now listen carefully. In a forest there lived a jackal. One evening he was very hungry and roaming in search of food. He came to a town in search of food. By then, night had fallen and stars had come out. There was a jackal. He was very hungry and he was moving here and there in search of food. At that time passed and there were evening, and after that there were night time. He entered into a town. As the jackal crept into the town, a number of dogs surrounded him, barking and yelping. To save himself, the jackal entered a dyer's house nearby. When he was searching food, at that time he entered in a town and he was going very slowly. But when he entered, there were a group of dogs. They were barking at him. After that, the jackal became very afraid, and to save himself, he entered in a house, and that house was of a dyer. Who is a dyer? You know? Who colored the clothes? Dyer. A huge drum of indigo was lying on the floor. He jumped into it, and soon his whole body was colored into dark blue. As you know, the jackal was afraid, and at once he jumped in his house. There were a big drum of color. He fell down in that drum and became a blue color, dark blue. You can see it's a picture of jackal. When the jackal came out of the indigo drum, the dogs did not recognize him and they felt terrified. The jackal returned to the forest and saw his reflection in a stream and said to himself, "Oh, what a transformation! I am no more a jackal." After falling in drum, he became completely dark blue. When dogs were seeing that jackal became in blue color, they can't recognize him, and they were understanding that he was any other animal. They became very afraid. After that, they left him, and the jackal returned into the forest. In forest, he was moving here and there. After some time, he saw a stream of water. He saw that his color was changed and he was looking a strange animal. After seeing, jackal became very happy. Now he is not a jackal, he is any other animal. Now turn the page. When the animals of the forest, like the lion, the tiger, the bear, the wolf, etc., saw the blue dyed jackal, they all fled away in terror, seeing the strange animal. The crafty jackal took full advantage of the situation and called back all the animals, saying, "Look here, animals, I am your king and lord. God himself has made me your king. Now you need not be afraid. I will protect you." As you know, jackal's color was changed, and when he came into forest, other animals can't recognize him and they became afraid. They were in terror and they were thinking that he is any different animal, any strange animal. Jackal saw that they can't recognize him, so he said that he is a king of forest, and God sent him. He called them other animals, come here, I will protect you, don't afraid. The animals accepted him as their king and attended on him, shouting, victory to our new king. He assigned them their duties and asked them to chase away all the jackals from his kingdom. In no time, his order was carried, and the jackal were made to flee by the lion, the tiger, and the bear. The jackal lived happily in great comfort for a long time, enjoying the choice meat which the other animals brought to him as a gift. Children, as you know, after changing color, the jackal became king, and all animals of the forest were following him. He gave them some duties, and all are following that. And it was order of jackal to other animals to that there should be no any jackal in the forest, and they were following their duty according to jackal. Jackal was very happy. He was living very happy life, and he was getting food according to his choice. He was taking delicious food, and he was very happy there. However, one evening the king jackal heard a pack of jackals howling at some distance. They had somehow strayed into his kingdom. He could not resist the howl and began himself howling. The lion, the tiger, and the other animals heard him howling and soon recognized that he was a mere jackal. Children, as you know, jackal was making fool other animals, and they were following jackal. But after some time, there were a herd of jackals were howling. After listening sound of howling, the jackal can't any control at himself, and he started howling like that jackals. After listening his voice, lion, tiger, and other animals recognize him that he is a jackal. And after that, what happens? They at once pounced upon the jackal, saying, "You rascal, you cheated and shameless. Here is your reward." And they tore him to pieces in the twinkling of an eye. The fraudulent jackal thus met his cruel fate. As you know, jackal was very clever, cheater. He was making fool to other animals. So when other animals acquainted with them, after that they were punish him and give him reward. What was the reward for the jackal? They were tore him in many pieces, and after that the fraud jackal, he was cheated so much to the other animals, got a very cruel death. Thank you.